I will talk about how can you enable shop promotion notifications on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do now, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you click on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to show promotion notifications. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean show promotion notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.